Hi, I'm Danielle Bibbo, the Senior Category Manager at mDesign, and the team and I want to share some tips and ideas on how to help get your home organized. If you're new to this, we suggest you start small. Tackle one space or one closet at a time. It's spring, and many of us think about deep cleaning our homes this time of year. Cleaning and household tasks are a little easier when your supplies are organized and ready to go. Let's take a look under the sink and see what we can do to maximize our space and organize our supplies. This space can be challenging with pipes and garbage disposals to deal with, but there are still things that you can do. It's always smart to take some measurements before you start a project. That way you pick storage bins that you know will fit the space. We wanted to make sure that we maximize the limited space that we had. We chose these drawer units because they stack, allowing us to take advantage of some unused space. The pull-out drawers allow for easy access, even when stacked. They are perfect for backup stock and less frequently used items. We had room on top for items we wanted to access quickly. Open bins and totes are a great choice. The tote is a great way to store cleaning supplies, and you can just grab it when you need it. I like to keep a cleaning tote stocked. That way everything's in one place and ready when I am. Spinners are a favorite throughout the home. They provide a great way to create quick access to items and everything is visible. These adhesive bins are a customer favorite. You don't have to worry about drilling into cabinets, and they provide a convenient spot for sponges, dishcloths, and scrub brushes. An over-the-cabinet towel bar is a perfect item to help store your dish towels. Remember to allow space for these when you organize inside the cabinet. mDesign is known for our storage bins, but many people don't know we have cleaning tools too. We have a line of supplies that are compact, modern, and have bamboo handles. The small palm brush is sold with or without the ceramic holder. Round out your sink space with a dish drainer. This compact drainer with the bamboo cutlery keeper is perfect for small spaces or when you have a few items. It's also small enough to store in a drawer when not in use. I hope I gave you a few ideas to spark your organizing journey and transform your space. It's easy with mDesign.